We'll guide you through how to make your Gmail look like Outlook. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Gmail account on your desktop and go to the gear icon in the top right corner to open the Quick Settings menu. Scroll down and click on See All Settings. In the Settings menu, go to the Inbox tab. Here, you want to change the inbox type to Unread First to mimic Outlook's default view of unread emails. Then, under the Reading Pane section, select Enable Reading Pane and choose either right of the inbox or below the inbox, depending on your preference. This splits your screen similar to Outlook, allowing you to preview emails without leaving your inbox. Next, head over to the Themes tab in the settings. Gmail offers various themes, but for an Outlook-like feel, choose a simple or neutral theme, like light or gray, to keep it professional and clean. You can also adjust the density in the Quick Settings menu to compact, to resemble Outlook's spacing, making it easier to view more emails at once. Finally, consider using labels as folders. Click on Labels in the Settings menu, create new labels, and nest them under Categories for an organized folder-like structure just like you would have in Outlook. These steps will help you achieve a familiar and efficient email workspace. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.